Hey everybody, my name's John Osborn. I'm here to talk about Ascend.io's ingestion platform. I am the field CTO here at Ascend, which means I get to do fun things like this, talk about technology, and evangelize postmodern data stacks. Ascend is the world's first intelligent data pipeline tool. So if you want to find out more about that, head off to Ascend.io. But what we want to talk about today is how Ascend ingestion wins. The first win is we have a huge out-of-the-box catalog of connectors. If you head over to our website, there's a data ingest page. You can see all the connectors. There's 250 of them. They can connect to things like SaaS, on-prem data, custom APIs. We can do change data capture, batch loading. We handle data reprocessing for you, so you don't ever have to do that again. And then some customized things, including data quality. And what this looks like on the platform is that we have a giant catalog of connectors like this you can pick from. A few of these are in private preview, but the vast majority of them are ready to roll. From a second win standpoint, our ingestion framework is a gapless framework. So what does that mean? Gapless means that you can ingest things that might look like this. So for example, this is a list of zip files on a website that are indexed just with HTML. Normally ingesting this would be super hard in other frameworks, or you'd have to write some custom Python or some code that would run outside of a framework. But Ascend actually provides a framework for this. So although the code would be custom, I can show you just a little bit of Python here that's going to pull down the index, and then it's going to load all the files using some standard Pandas CSV readers. It's going to do all of this work for you in a framework that's massively parallel, and it's going to create the schema for you automatically and provide a whole bunch of other features. So looking for ingestion that covers all of the bases, including all of the wacky use cases that we all have, Ascend has that in spades for sure. Our third win is that we integrate data quality directly into the not only ingestion but transformation activities. So if you caught that really quickly here in this component that we're looking at, down here in the quality section, I can provide quality checks out of the box. So in this case, I want my region ID to not be null, and I want my file URLs to not be null because maybe I need them downstream to do something useful. Instead of failing the pipeline, I'm actually going to warn the pipeline. If I choose to, I can ask the platform to stop by erroring out and telling me that I couldn't load some data because your quality rules were violated. Or I can do nothing, which means I want to measure quality, and so I want to track quality over time, and I can pull those quality statistics out of the SDK really easily. So as far as a quick overview of Ascend, that's really how we do it, and that's how we save you a whole bunch of administration time or drive you to do more engineering with the resources you have. Thanks a lot. Again, my name is John Osborn, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.